All right, welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to be answering question 27 from the mock exam. It says that today's weather report for your city states that the probability of rain is 0.60 or 60%. Which of the following is the most reasonable explanation for how this probability could have been estimated? Okay, so this is clearly a question about probability. And the thing to remember about probability, its meaning or its definition, is that you want to think about it as the long run proportion. Okay, so for instance, when we toss a fair coin, right, we know the probability is 50%. Okay, now that doesn't mean that if you toss 10 coins, 5 of them will be heads, because coin tosses are random. What that probability 50% means is that if you toss hundreds or if you toss thousands of coins, right, that in the long run, the proportion of heads would be roughly 50%. Okay, so you can see here in this simulation that, after, just 10 or 20 tosses, we were like hovering at 20, 30, 40%. It isn't until I've done like a couple hundred tosses where the proportion of heads is around 50%. And it's still not quite there. It's only, you can see like at 46.5%. Okay, so the more and more tosses I do, the more and more trials I observe, the closer the proportion gets to the true or theoretical probability, or that long run proportion. Okay. All right, so back to the problem, we're talking about the chance of rain. And so we're looking for a choice that kind of is worded in terms of this long run proportion. Okay. And if you look at choice C, it talks about a large number of days, right? So we have observed in the long run, right, a lot of days. Okay. So let's read that whole statement, okay, the whole choice. From the fact that in a large number of days with atmospheric conditions similar to today, it rained in your city on 60% of those days. Okay, that sounds like a long run proportion to me.